is good, everyone? Today we're on a little adventure with the boys, Halil, Sasha. Basically we're in the middle of nowhere right now, and there's this cool gorge kind of thing with some train tracks running through, pretty unused, and it looks pretty unique, so we just need to find it. We've actually just pulled up in the car right now, and it's literally down there. So we just need to work out how the fuck we're gonna get down there, because we have no idea. And yeah, that is the plan. We'll definitely fly the quad in there, that'd look pretty sick. For now, we need to work out where the hell we are, because we do not know how to get down there. It's like a 50-meter drop, probably 30-meter drop. So yeah, let's go. Alright, we've reached a point where we're doing some freaking bush bashing. Oh man, it's eerily quiet here. And I think we are a bit lost, so... Sasha looks very confused.
The security agent.
He's our Spider-Man, because we can't take no spiders here, man.
Sorry.
And he looks very lost, so this is not good. Let's keep going forward. This guy's ridiculous, bro.
Bye.
I can barely see you.
I'll buy you the dinner tonight.
This is absolutely jokes right now. Alright, this is the plan. I'm gonna hoodie up and just send it into the bush.
Oh, Sasha, throw me your hoodie.
This is how I can stitch up.
I didn't prepare for a bush bash.
Alright, let's get in there. So we've appeared out of the fucking bush into this pretty cool looking spot. The drone must be sent. Try and get a cool photo. This old train thingo. Did you enjoy the experience?
Yeah, it was great. You guys didn't believe me. You guys wanted to go up there.
If this guy wasn't here, there's no way we would have sent that dense bush bash, but shout out to Sasha, man. Sick. Let's get shooting. It actually looks quite nice.
Don't know about you, but I can feel it through and through.
Alright, so we're here right now. This place is pretty freaking epic. The drone must be flown, and that is the mission right now. We may try go over that bridge, do like a split S over it, except there are some power lines up there, which is not ideal. I'll definitely dive down here, zip past my two boys. Should be a banger clip. Fingers crossed. Let's go.
Don't know about you, don't know about you, don't know about you, but I can feel it through and through. Don't know about you, don't know about you, don't know about you, but I can feel it through and through.
And that was a stupid crash. We did take some cool photos and I'm gonna pop them up right now. They're not crazy bangers, but the spot was really cool. And I think with some more color in the sky would have looked a lot better. But we're here for the FPV anyway, so let's keep going. Anyway, man, that was a crazy ass flight. I ate shit when I was trying to go between Sasha's legs. And I don't know what happened. I kind of panicked. I was like, oh, if it goes in his leg, it's gonna fucking hurt. And I clipped the ground and we got sent flying, but thankfully, like, these drones are indestructible, so it's all good. We did some pretty crazy split S's across the bridge. There are power lines there, which I think I nearly hit, but I think it turned out pretty good. The sunset was seen on top here. You can't see the sun here at all, but all in all, I think it was amazing. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, please sub, and enjoy the views.
Skies reaching out around it to take us back.